Form 1040. Schedule A is used to report your itemized deductions instead of taking the standard deduction, which can help lower your taxable income. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to fill out Schedule A itemized deductions using pdfFiller so you can complete, save, and print your form online. At the top, type your name and social security number. Section 1 is medical and dental expenses. Enter your total unreimbursed medical and dental costs on line 1. On line 2, enter the adjusted gross income, AGI, from line 11 of your Form 1040, then multiply AGI by 7.5% to calculate what's deductible and type the result on line 4. Next, taxes you paid. Add state and local income or sales tax, real estate tax, and personal property tax on lines 5 and 6, keeping in mind there's an overall cap on state and local tax deductions. In interest you paid, enter eligible home mortgage interest and any deductible investment interest. Then, in gifts to charity, list your cash and non-cash donations to qualified charities and any carryovers from prior years. If they apply, complete casualty and theft losses and other itemized deductions. Finally, in line 17, calculate the total itemized deductions. Sum up the amounts from lines 4 through 16 and enter the total you'll transfer to Form 1040. When finished, click Done. To save your completed Form 1040, Schedule A to pdfFiller's secure cloud storage. Then download the PDF or print, sign, and mail it with your Form 1040 to the IRS. That's how to quickly fill out Schedule A itemized deductions with pdfFiller. No handwriting, just clean, professional tax forms. Start your free trial with pdfFiller and keep all your tax documents organized for next year.